Hey, it's Jennifer, your digital planning buddy. I am back with Pathway to Planning, giving you tips to help you and save you time. So if you're new, you're learning your way around and you're figuring out that there's more than one way to do most things. There are different times and applications where you may want to use these shortcuts to get rid of something. Sometimes it's just a pain to be going up and down with your pencil to select a tool and then do it and then go back to what you were doing. If you have one of the newest pencils and iPads, you're able to squeeze the pencil with your fingers and a little menu will pop up right where you are and you can use the tools from there. But those are new. A lot of us don't have that. I'm being one of them. I do have Christmas list though. But anyway, you can use this for handwriting or for anything that you have put on your page. So for example, if I write, whoops, there we go. If I write hello and I decide, that's not how I want to start the letter. 2 fingers, all you have to do is tap. By tapping it, it will erase the last thing that you wrote. And the comma goes away. And the O, L, L, E, H. It literally goes by the pen stroke. So it wouldn't be something I would say you would want to use to get rid of a whole sentence. But if there's just a little something you've done that you want to erase, a lot of people use this for drawing and creative things. If we drew so if I drew a circle like that, and then I decided I didn't want it to be blue, I can double tap and the border turns around. And if I double tap again, the inside color disappears. So that is a fantastic way. You also have the eraser tool. Okay, so moving on to the Scribble tool. Let's try it. I'm going to write. Okay. And then you decide you don't want to start with that. So the Scribble tool really is turned on at the iPad level on the settings, and I'll show you that in a minute. But how it works is you take your Apple Pencil and you start, either right or left, depending if you're left or right-handed, and you want to scribble over what you've written. What I've learned is it can be a little finicky, so the best bet is to make sure that you're covering both past the bottom and past the top of what you've written. For example, I'm going to go like this and make sure that I get all of it and it all goes away. If you don't go all the way down, you will end up leaving some of the pen strokes. But if you go the whole way, it will get all of it. So once I learned that, it became a lot more reliable for me to use. And it is kind of nice not to be going up and down to the eraser and switching back and forth between the writing tool. Okay, so let me show you where to turn it on. You're going to go to your iPad desktop. You're going to click on the gear icon where it says settings. You're going to go down your left menu to where it says Apple Pencil. And then you're going to go halfway down and you're going to see it. They actually made it easy to find. Scribble, and you would toggle it green for on, and you would move it to the left to turn it off. Right now, mine is on. And this is a link. You can click on it and it will just show you how it works. There's different features of the Scribble functionality, but for today, we're just talking about using it to erase. So if I go out and I go back in, and we'll just try it one more time. Goodbye. There you go. I hope it's helpful, and please subscribe to the channel if you like tips like this and you want to see more. And down below, check out my Pathway to Planning link where you can get updated and find out about being a founding member into my new community. Thanks and have a good day.